What if one short sentence could move the entire crypto market? Michael Saylor has done it again. The executive chairman of strategy has posted another message that has the Bitcoin community talking. This time, his message was simple but powerful. Bitcoin is digital energy. And as many crypto investors know, whenever Michael Saylor starts posting mysterious Bitcoin messages, a major Bitcoin purchase often follows. So, is strategy about to buy even more Bitcoin? What does Bitcoin is digital energy actually mean? And why are investors around the world paying close attention? Let's break it all down. Michael Saylor is one of the biggest Bitcoin believers in the world. For years, he has argued that Bitcoin is much more than a digital currency. He believes it is the best long-term store of value ever created. Under his leadership, strategy has accumulated an enormous Bitcoin treasury worth tens of billions of dollars. Every time the company announces another purchase, headlines spread across the financial world. Because of this history, investors have learned to watch Saylor's social media posts very carefully. Many times in the past, he shared optimistic Bitcoin messages just days before strategy officially announced another large Bitcoin purchase. That is why this latest statement has attracted so much attention. But what exactly does he mean when he says Bitcoin is digital energy? Think about energy in the real world. Energy powers cities. Energy runs factories. Energy keeps the global economy moving. Without energy, modern civilization cannot function. According to Saylor, Bitcoin works in a similar way, but in the digital economy. Bitcoin allows people to store economic value securely. It can be transferred almost anywhere in the world. It cannot easily be manipulated or inflated. In Saylor's view, Bitcoin preserves financial energy over time. Instead of storing electricity, Bitcoin stores purchasing power. That is why he describes it as digital energy. This idea may sound philosophical, but it reflects how many Bitcoin supporters think about the asset. Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin has a fixed maximum supply of 21 million coins. No government can simply create millions of new Bitcoins overnight. This scarcity is one of the main reasons many investors consider Bitcoin a hedge against inflation. Over the past several years, strategy has continued buying Bitcoin during market rallies, corrections, and even major crashes. While many investors panic during price declines, Saylor has repeatedly argued that volatility is temporary, but Bitcoin's long-term value remains strong. His strategy has been simple. Buy Bitcoin, hold Bitcoin, continue buying Bitcoin. Now investors are asking whether another purchase announcement is coming soon. Although no official purchase has been confirmed yet, history has made people pay close attention whenever Saylor posts messages like this. If strategy announces another major Bitcoin acquisition, it could, once again, strengthen market confidence. Large institutional purchases often send an important signal. They show that major companies still believe Bitcoin has long-term potential. That confidence can influence other corporations, investment funds, and even governments. Institutional adoption has become one of the biggest themes in crypto over the past few years. Bitcoin is no longer viewed only as an asset for retail investors. Banks, asset managers, hedge funds, and public companies are becoming increasingly involved. Many analysts believe that institutional demand could play a major role in Bitcoin's future growth. At the same time, investors should remember that social media hints are not official announcements. Markets can react quickly to speculation, but nothing is guaranteed until the company releases confirmed information. This is why smart investors always verify news before making financial decisions. Whether strategy buys more Bitcoin tomorrow, next week, or next month, one thing remains clear. Michael Saylor continues to send the same message he has shared for years. He believes Bitcoin represents the future of digital value. And with every statement like, Bitcoin is digital energy, he reinforces his long-term conviction. The crypto market will now be watching closely to see whether another Bitcoin purchase announcement follows. If history repeats itself, today's simple message could become tomorrow's major headline. But until then, investors should stay informed, manage risk carefully, and avoid making emotional decisions based solely on market speculation. What do you think? Is Michael Saylor preparing for another massive Bitcoin buy? Or is this simply another expression of his long-term belief in Bitcoin? Share your opinion in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want daily crypto news, Bitcoin updates, and market analysis, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Saylor, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next big crypto story. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.